Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You will start by getting two windows ready. Open both apps or tabs you plan to use. Once done, position the first window by pressing Alt and the or keys, or click the maximize icon and choose Tile Window to left/right. This immediately pins the first app at one side of the screen so you can pick the second. Make sure both windows are not minimized and that you're using a standard Chromebook screen orientation for predictable results. Next, refine how much space each app gets. Click and drag the vertical divider between tiles to resize. Some apps will snap back to optimal sizes, so adjust gradually. If you need to replace one app, open Overview, the Show Windows key, and drag a different window into the empty side. Once you finish arranging, use arrow keys or touchpad gestures to switch focus. This keeps keyboard input going to the right window while preserving the split layout for multitasking. To complete the session, close or maximize either pane to return to single window mode, or press Alt plus bracket keys to unsnap. If snapping fails, restart Chrome or sign out of your Chromebook. That often clears transient window manager glitches. Make sure no app is in full screen kiosk mode, and check accessibility or display scaling if drag handles feel unresponsive. If problems persist, reboot the device and retry the tile steps. This resolves most remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.